How to make full screen TikTok video in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can make full screen TikTok video in CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is open up CapCut in your device. So once you open it up, tap on new project. Now from your gallery you have to select your video. So here I have my video right here, then tap on add. So now once you have added your video, you have to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for the TikTok full screen. Now navigate to the bottom of the interface, there is a menu bar. Swipe that menu bar to your left hand side, then you have to tap on aspect ratio. Now to change into TikTok full screen, tap on the second option, that is 9:16. Now you'll see this kind of interface, tap on tick mark. Now you could add background to your video, or you could also zoom in your video to fit up the full screen. Tap on the video on your timeline and then now you can zoom in your video. But if you want to add your full video without having to zoom in, then you can add a background color. For that, again, head over to background and here you could tap on color, image, blur, or any other background. For now I will just add a color. So I'll just add a white color, then tap on tick mark. Now you could export this video and upload to TikTok with a full screen. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.